Well, I bet I can guess how everyone is feeling today. Pretty damn good. Obviously, BTC made a very strong move to the upside yesterday, breaking all the way to new cycle highs of 47K. And we currently sit at about 46.5. This is great. This is another strong move. And like I said many times, the market does want to run. But I will say that this move actually pales in comparison to the move that Shiba Inu is making right now. Shib is making a power move, a strength move. Now that might seem weird because obviously Shib is at 5095. It's not even at the highest range that we've been at here in 2024 yet. But I want to show you guys something on this chart. So obviously yesterday we talked about the potential of coming down either to some of these moving averages, coming down to this bottom trend line and bouncing, and that's exactly what Shib did. Now, why this is important and why this is such a strong move is if we look back at what this trend line represents, right? This was our bearish trend line. Obviously, we set it, early in 2023. There were some points even all the way back in 2022, but this is where Shib had struggled against. All right, Shib made a very strong move to the upside here back at the beginning of December. All right, we broke through. We stayed above it for a very long period of time. And this was our big ultimate retest. Obviously, market direction was trending down, and it was a question of whether Shib was going to hold this and show strength at this line. And it did. We bounced right off of it. This is where I said we could trigger that next move to the upside. Now, obviously, Shib right now is struggling right around the bottom of this 5095 range. We saw that we were holding that as support for the few days before entering yesterday. And it just needs a little bit of work, just a little bit of time to go ahead and break through this. Now, when we zoom out at some of the other charts, we can obviously see that Shib is again showing strength here. It's above the 200-day moving average. It's kind of floating just above the 100-day. So that's good. All right. But what I think is even more telling is what is happening on the weekly chart. All right. When we look at this, we're sitting right on top of that 20-week moving average. All right. We're also setting up a nice 5-wave here. Let me see if I can draw this out. Okay. We've created higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And now we're going to probably try to work our way towards higher highs. This is even a more exaggerated 5-wave than what I was drawing out here before. You guys can hopefully see what this move is doing in terms of strength. So I know some people were talking about possible retracements in the market. Here's the thing. Right now, the market again is beginning to show some extreme signs of strength. I said yesterday that we could see liquidations to the upside, people betting against the market right now, opening short positions. It just doesn't make sense. Not a smart play by any means. As always, anybody can do what they want, but we can see just in yesterday's wick on BTC, what happens to people that bet against the market right now. Again, we're too close to the halving. We're technically in a bull market cycle. It's the beginning of the bull market, but we are technically in the bull market. But the big times are coming ahead. Alt season is coming ahead. We do have a retracement likely going to happen after the Bitcoin halving, so just be prepared for that. But it's looking like we have a little ways to stretch our legs before that, Shiba Inu included. I'm guessing again, if Shib continues to follow this trend line here, at some point we make a test towards that, somewhere again up in this 4015 range, whether that's now February, March, somewhere around April. I'm guessing we stretch our legs to that point before we experience some kind of retracement and consolidation post halving. So just wanted to share that with you guys. This was a strong move that Shiba Inu made. It's great to see this support at these levels. And I'm prepared now for Shib to obviously stretch its legs even a little further than where we're at currently. So appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, this is not financial advice, but get excited. Big things are coming. Have a great day. Show your support below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.